Well, welcome back to my channel. Winter is about over, sun's shining bright, leaves are starting to come on the trees, and you want to clean up your vehicle. And you notice this. Chip marks. There's a chip mark here. There's some chip marks over here. And you want to know, how do I fix that? How do I touch that paint up? How do I know what color I need? They are all valid questions. So I'm going to show you after I did some research and I figured it out, so I thought I would share it to all my viewers. And if you're a brand new viewer, welcome to the DIY channel. Subscribe to see more things like this. Your question might be, if you're here, is where do I find out and how do I find out where my paint coat is? Normally I would say it's in the glove box, that's where the main common spot is, but I'm here to tell you it's not there because I looked. It's actually on this sticker right here, this information sticker. You got your tire information stuff down here, and then you look over that, and if you read it, you can pause this video if you have to, but here's the information QR code or whatever. There's a number right there. Mine's 252F, and that's the code. Then what I'll do is I will probably go to Amazon and punch that number in and be able to find my paint, and then I'll order it and ship it in, and I'll go around and touch it up and it'll be like new again. So if you saw this video a thumbs up. Might have been simple, might have been silly, but hopefully it's helped, and we'll see you the next time.